Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Theta Network. What surprise changes occur in the Theta Network. Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. So guys, Theta Network is about to make a huge move. Theta Network is about to recover his price. You know what, in the previous month, the price of Theta Network is very badly decreased. So it's time to recover the price of Theta Network. Guys, subscribe now our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. 7.84 cent is the current price of the Theta Network in the market. Other side, if we talk about the changes, so you can see the last 1 hour change is positive, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole changes in the Theta Network is positive. So guys, you know what, that's not a Theta Network pricing is only positive. Every coin from the 1st August, every coin price changes is positive. Guys, that is the secret of August. You know what, personally I never saw this kind of changes in the cryptocurrencies market. First time I saw in the August month this kind of changes. So that's really profitable changes. That's really a huge and a happiness changes for us. Celebrate it, guys. Anyways, guys, my special advice for all Theta Network is that please guys, it's a very low price of Theta Network. You know what, the price of Theta Network falls down from 10.9 USD dollar to 7 USD. So guys, it takes time. Just hold to the last of August. I hope you get profit. Never decide to sell. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.